Have you ever seen your entire life flash before your very eyes? Deep inside the Canadian wilderness, I almost met my maker when our Jeep started sliding off a cliff. This is the story of how we almost lost the Jeep in Chilcotin Country. It was day 3 on our road trip, traveling through the mountains in Canada. We were riding on the high of climbing up the mountain through a rigorous track to the top. We felt like kings of the world being up there. Our confidence was through the roof. But it turns out that feeling of being all-powerful turned out to be our very downfall. We have traveled down the mountain and encountered a road that was completely washed out. Ryan, my trusted Jeep operator, thought he had the skills to overcome this challenge. But disaster struck when we started sliding off the side of the hill. We were inches away from toppling our Jeep over. We were truly stuck. Alright, we have reached a dilemma. It seems this whole hill is washed out and we kind of caught ourselves in a pretty tight spot here. Ryan, the mastermind, is figuring out a strategy to get out. I, for one, I'm happy I'm out of the car. Doesn't look too great, but we'll figure it out.
Well, the first thing for us is just being safe, right?
Yeah.
We're not here to die out here, right?
Yeah.
So that's the first priority. No matter what we do, we have to be safe. That doesn't look very safe.
Yeah.
We want to be safe, right? Because this is a tool. We can lose a tool. It's fine. We can have a helicopter come get us.
Alright, so what's the game plan, Ryan?
What we're going to do is, because we don't have any trees here to anchor off of, which if we did that would be great, but we don't. We're going to try to bury the tire really, really deep, and we'll attach a tree saver strap to it and hope that's enough. Kind of iffy there. But we'll run the winch between that and the rear tire, and hopefully we'll be able to at least secure the vehicle from rolling over. The next thing is, I think we're going to be digging for a minute.
Digging?
This is going to take 10 billion years.
We're doing what must be done. We're going to be out here for a bit, digging this hole. Hole is going to be fantastic. It's going to be the best hole you've ever seen. The greatest hole you ever see across America. It's going to be the best hole, and it's going to be funded by the Canadians. The best hole in Canada, built by Americans, paid by the Canadians. I'll probably cut that out. All right, got an update on this. This is the spare tire that we are dumping into the hole, and we'll use this as an anchor point to secure the vehicle.
As an 8-year-old, I would have loved this shit.
We've been digging quite some time, but the hole is looking good. Look how deep he is. So deep. A little bit more digging just to fit this wheel in there in a snug place. We're gonna bury it and get on out of here. I've never dug a hole bigger than this. This is the biggest hole I've ever dug. Cross that off the bucket list.
1, 2, 3.
I don't feel good about that. I think we need to dig deeper. That looks so cooked. All right, so we've made some progress into the hole. Right now it's just loose dirt. Our plan is to put this tire deep, really deep and well seated in this hole. That way it can handle the load of pulling this Jeep up. So that's the goal. We're on the last stretch, digging this hole out. We're gonna dump this tire on top, dump some sand and bury it, and then it'll be Ryan showtime to get us out.
Oh God. Oh God. 1, 2, 1. Alright. Ready?
Yes, that's good. There we go. Alright, how's it looking, Ryan?
It's gonna be.
As good as it's gonna be.
I'll find out.
Really, really hope this works. I really do. But it would be nice to get a nice helicopter to come rescue us. Dude, this fucking Jeep looks so good.
This is a snatch block. It's got a pulley inside it, so the rope can whoop, whoop, like that super easily. we are gonna pull tension on this new anchor we just built. Hopefully, what will happen is it ends up like this. We don't snap anything. Then, hopefully, we can pull the Jeep up. It's safe, it's secure, probably won't roll. It's a good start.
Sweet.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
I need you to walk out and around. Avoid that. Tell me what's going on with the front.
Okay. Front is looking good. Tire is looking like it's on track. Everything looks like it's working the way it should be. Yep, everything looks good. Tracks went under the wheels.
Okay.
You're on top of the tracks.
Okay, tire check.
Tire looks good.
Line up the tire.
No, doesn't look like it.
Okay.
Looks good. You're getting a little close to the materials.
What materials?
All of the gear that we have.
Okay, come move it.
Okay.
Walk up and around.
I feel like Spider-Man. All right, I gotta move this stuff. Got the things moved over. All right, Ryan, you're good to go. You're safe. Nice, you got up, bro. Holy shit. Damn, we got out of there. God damn, nice work. Holy fuck.
Basking in the glory of our victory.
Holy shit. That felt like a Call of Duty mission. Dude, that fucking thing right there worked perfectly. Victory.
Good time.
It is time to pull the anchor out of the hole. All right, he's pulling on the winch. There it goes. Yep, it's coming out. It's coming out. The whole thing's moving. Yep, it's moving. It's coming out. It's out. Hell yeah, we got the tire out, baby. Woo! Look at that fucking hole that we made though. Holy shit. God damn, that's a huge hole. Good job, spare tire. Last thing to do, wrap up this tire, slap it onto the back, and we are on our way. But we did it, and our reward is we get to go home safely. Ryan and I are very exhausted. Definitely super sore, gonna feel that tomorrow. Moved a lot of earth. The journey does not end here. We're gonna power through. Looking forward to our campsite. Looking forward to those hot dogs. After this tough recovery, we raced on forward to our campsite, but that's another story for later. I'll catch you on part 3 of this trip. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.